Hi everybody, Sanbonani. Welcome to my channel. Igama lami nguNtando Mdletshe, and on this channel sikhuluma ama-reality TV shows, ama-celebrities kanye nama-YouTubers. If it's your first time joining me today and you really like my content, do not forget to press the subscribe button. To listen, you guys. Okay, a lot is going on. Okay, I don't know why I'm thinking if you are a baby mama to the babies, Ziga, DJ Euphonic, I'm like, you must be having a hard time. I don't know why I think that because I don't personally know this guy, but I just feel like he always appears to me as not the person that is easy to deal with. Okay. Remember, recently, you guys, he did the unthinkable when he posted something that looked like he was celebrating the passing of the granddaughter of Nelson Mandela. So I was like, okay, you must not be a good person. Okay, maybe that's where I'm judging him from. So now something is going on with him and his baby mama. At first, you guys, when I saw this story, that he wants his kid to come and visit him in Dubai, and the baby mama is refusing. I was like, I mean, why would you refuse for your kids to see their daddy? But then when I read the story and I found out what the reasons are, I was like, of course. Of course. Okay, I understand now. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. So I don't know if it's gonna make sense to you too, or you're going to be feeling like, no, if Euphonic wants to spend time with his kids, he must spend time with his kids. Okay, it doesn't matter when he wants to spend time with his kids because he is DJ Euphonic. Okay, how can you say no to DJ Euphonic? Anyway, you guys, so let's find out what's happening with him because he has decided to go to take this thing to court just because the baby mama is saying no. The kids need to be going to school right now. Okay, wait for December or something or the Easter next year for you to get the kids. You can't just take the kids out of school because you want them to go on a holiday in Dubai. That it doesn't work like that in parenting. Okay, you prioritize school. But let's read the article. Euphonic turns to court to force X to let the kids visit him in Dubai. Guys, every time I see the word Dubai, I know it's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful place. We've seen the pictures from people that go there. But every time I see the word Dubai, I'm like thinking of that word that starts with a P. The influencers that go to Dubai, to eat the cake. There is not really a cake. So for me, I'm like, everybody that goes to Dubai, I'm like, hey, I wonder if they're not going to have the feast. I need to get that out of my mind, you guys. Honestly, it's like that's what I associate Dubai with. It's sad, okay? Okay, so this is what they're saying here. This is a story by Ongwako Malaj, writing for the Sunday World. It says the illegal battle has broken out between DJ Euphonic and one of his baby mamas over her refusal to allow the children to spend time with him in Dubai. Sunday World can exclusively reveal that Euphonic born Tembankosi has applied for an urgent order in the Johannesburg High Court to force the woman to sign consent form to allow the children to travel to the United Arab Emirates, most popular city. So listen, you guys. I guess because the mother has the custody of the kids, even though he is the father, the mother has to sign the consent to say, listen, I am okay with them traveling all the way to Dubai to be with their dad, and she does not want to do that. Okay. In court papers, which we have seen, Euphonic said he and the women drifted apart a few years ago and had agreed afterward that she should live with the children. This, he said, on condition he would be entitled to exercise reasonable access and contact to the children. Now that I'm thinking about it, you guys, I think I would be scared too. That what if he takes the kids and then never brings them back? Okay. It's not going to be as easy as if he's here in South Africa and he's taking the kids to Cape Town or Durban. You can just take the bus there and go collect your kids. Okay. It's far more complicated when it's a different country. He said on August the 19th, he informed the woman, who cannot be named for legal reasons, that he planned to take the children to Dubai so they could experience theme parks. Okay, 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 in that country. Okay, okay, Euphonic. Euphonic said he wants the children to travel to Dubai because it would be an opportunity for them to bond with their half siblings. Okay, I see the complication there. Like, okay. He said after getting permission from the children's schools, he paid for their flights and accommodation. Okay. Okay, maybe I'm not understanding. Like you got permission from the schools, but not from the mother. Okay. I, on October 3, 2023, directed correspondence to the respondent calling for the documentation necessary for the children to travel. Okay, obviously, it needs birth certificates and all of that, and the consent form, all of that. I specifically called for copies of the minor children's birth certificates and a signed consent form as required, he said in the papers. Euphonic said he said he received a message from his baby mama saying that she did not agree to the children going to Dubai. Despite his reasonable attempts to reach an agreement with her, he said a woman refused to engage him further on the matter. Like, listen, my kids are not going to Dubai. End of story. I imagine she said that. Okay. As a consequence, he said he was left with no option but to instruct his lawyers. Guys, abantu abanama lawyers, you don't give them supper, they instruct their lawyers. You don't send them a good morning message in the morning, they contact their lawyers. Lee Bineman and Schindler are attorneys who sent her a letter of demand because of her refusal to allow the children to travel was without justification. He said although he was in Spain on a business trip, he requested the court uh, to issue an order for the children to travel to Dubai with his mother, with whom they have a loving relationship. Okay, so the kids will be traveling with the grandmother. That's a good arrangement. Okay. Euphonic said that his lawyers made it possible for him to sign an affidavit virtually via a South African Commissioner of Oath. I have no other way to attest to this affidavit due to the urgency of the matter, as the nearest South African consulate is situated some 7 hours away in Madrid. So he's not even in Dubai right now because he's traveling in Spain. I cannot attend due to requirements. The application was dismissed with cost after the woman disputed that she had agreed for the children to go to Dubai. Okay, she argued that Euphonic wanted to pull the children out of school to leave the country for trip that would not add any value to their. I totally agree. We just had holidays now. The kids were on school break. I mean, it depends if they're in private school or public school, but I guess public schools were in a school holidays just now. And I would think that even private schools had a holiday sometime. Okay. So why not just plan the trip during school holiday? Why would you pull them out of school to go on a trip that has, yeah, I understand this woman. It doesn't add any value to them. It's just them going to see theme parks. Okay. She added that the children were going to miss out on school and would struggle to catch up with the lessons they would have missed while in Dubai. Okay. Or just asked for them in December or something. She also said the matter was not urgent. It's not urgent. I agree, you guys. Not urgent for the kids to go to Dubai. They can go in December. They can go next Easter. They can even go next year. You can even wait for them to finish matric and then they can go. Honestly, lodging an urgent application in court. These people think courts have time for them. Euphonic declined to comment while the woman couldn't be reached for comment. So that is what is happening, guys. I agree with the court, you guys. This is not urgent. I agree with this woman. It's not urgent. Why are you pulling the kids out of school? We have many, many holidays in South Africa where the kids can actually go and visit you. Why does it have to be during the time when they are supposed to be in school? I'm not against him spending time with his children. Okay, we all know we need fathers that want to spend time with their children. So I commend him for that. But just wait for the school holidays, okay, and then take the kids. Okay. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Tell me what you think about this in the comment section. Am I wrong in saying that this woman had good reasons for refusing to send the kids to Dubai? Should she have been so excited about the fact that the kids are going to Dubai and just forgot about the school thing, and forgot about the fact that they're going to be missing out on schoolwork and just send them to Dubai? Okay, especially if they're not having really a good relationship with the father and she does not know what the intentions are. Because hey, what if Lubaba is and never bring them back? Hey, they've done it, guys. They've done it. Men have done it. Even women take the kids overseas and then you never see them again. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Tell me what you think about it in the comment section. Also share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers. Ntando kakhulu.